Hello and welcome to our tutorial on the paragraph element. Are you finding it tiresome to add paragraphs to your website? With the paragraph element of Dotcom, you can add paragraphs effortlessly by dragging and dropping the element. Drag and drop the paragraph element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. Here you can edit all three sections to deliver a personalized experience: paragraph element, container column, and container row. 1. Paragraph element. Click the edit icon on the element. A customization panel loads on the right side. It has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Here, you can add the paragraph. You can use the customization tools to change the style of your content. To add a drop cap, enable the toggle. On the link field, you can link your paragraph to a web page, external URL, file, email, or phone number. Finally, adjust the alignment of the paragraph element inside the container. Switch to the Style tab. Here, you can edit the style format of the paragraph and drop cap separately. In the paragraph section, you can change the text color, typography, and text shadow. Likewise, carry out similar adjustments on the drop cap section. Next is the Advanced tab. Go to the Advanced section. Here, you can change the margin, padding, and width values of the paragraph for different screen types: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now, go to the Background section. Here, you can configure the background values of the element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the paragraph block on different screen types. Point 2. Container column. Click its edit icon. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust multiple column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, Normal and Hover, where you can adjust the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Finally, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Similar to the container column, you can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, and vertical alignment. Switch to the Style tab. It has Normal and Hover tabs. Under each mode, you can perform background and border customizations for the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general actions like deleting, duplicating, or rearranging the container. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.